Here's a little fishing area. I don't remember what the name of it is. I have to look. Look how still that water is. This is on the opposite side of the road from Cave Run, kind of up the road from Warwick boat ramp. But this is not the only way it's connected to. Ouch! Something just attacked me there. Big horsefly. This is not really connected to Cave Run per se, but it is under the road through like a big storm drain. This would be some great paddling and exploring. I have to check and see if you're allowed to do any camping over here. Oops. Kind of hard to see the screen for the sun. I'm thinking paddle way back up in there. There's actually a couple of kayaks back up in there right now. Let's see if I can zoom in on them. Yeah, hard to see. Anyway, I'm thinking maybe paddle back up in here or over in here. See if there's a place to maybe hammock camp. Oh man, this is pretty. Yep, definitely gonna come down and explore this for sure.